Hey there! In this video, we'll show you how to add your WhatsForm URL to your WhatsApp business account. WhatsForm is a simple tool that makes it easy to collect customer data and chat with them directly on WhatsApp. We'll go over how to set up and use WhatsForm URLs to connect with your customers on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsForm dashboard and choose the form you want to work with. For this example, we'll use the contact form for Glow Up Cosmetics. Click on Share, then select WhatsApp. Here you'll see predefined message templates for greeting and away messages. You can either click here to share the template directly to WhatsApp, or click here to copy and paste it manually. Now let's switch over to your WhatsApp business app to set up the messages. In the app, go to Tools and scroll down to find these three options: greeting message, away message, and quick replies. But what do these messages actually do? The greeting message is the first message sent to a customer when they chat with you for the first time. The away message is automatically sent when a customer messages you outside your business hours. Quick replies are saved, pre-written responses that you can send quickly when customers ask common questions. Now that we've set up the three message types, let's see them in action. Here's Annie, a customer. She sends a hi to the business, and right away the greeting message is automatically sent to her. When Annie clicks on the WhatsForm URL, it will open in her mobile browser. Then she proceeds to fill in the details on your WhatsForm. After filling in the required information, Annie will be redirected back to the WhatsApp chat. At this point, you'll have access to all the details she provided, allowing for a personalized and informed conversation. Next, let's test the away message. Annie sends a message outside of business hours, and she receives the away message immediately. Finally, let's try a quick reply from the WhatsApp business account. We've set /form as the shortcut, so when we type that, it automatically replaces it with the message template we set earlier. By directing your customers to our pre-designed WhatsApp form, we can efficiently collect essential information from them in a single step. This eliminates the need to repeatedly ask the same questions to each WhatsApp lead, streamlining our communication process. We hope these steps to add WhatsForm to WhatsApp are clear. If you have any questions, please visit whatsform.help.center.